So now live now. So welcome to my channel PHP starters. So today our topic is yesterday we completed public and private. So today our topic is protected scope, protected modifier. How we use, at what purpose we will use. So this I am going to discuss today. So first of all, please subscribe my channel for motivating me. So protected means the properties or functions. Scope level will be to the same level as well as inherited class. Means in the class we can create constructor and we can create object and we can call that the help of protected variable we can call as well as we can call in inherited class also. So this is the oral example. Base class or parent class is the child class. We are using extents because in inherited concept we use extents because protected main scope level is for inheritance only. So here we are creating one variable and we are naming it as protected variable, and we are creating one construct because this construct will initialize when object created. So we are creating one object and we are calling this var variable of the parent class, and its scope is protected, so it will come as a hero in the child class we can call. So that is the main purpose of protected. So now I will execute the program in real time for more clarity. So PHP open tag close tag. We are having two classes. One is base class, one is child class. So we are having variable as protected dollar var equal to hero. So we need to call here directly. Directly we cannot call. Okay. Yes, can see protected.php. So we need to use extends this. Okay. Now we can see what is the output. Protected.php. Syntax error, unexpected echo, expecting function. So mainly in classes there will be properties and functions, variables and functions, or else properties and methods. But we are calling the class, we are calling variables in class. So for that process we need to create constructor, and we need to create constructor and we need to create object, then only we can call. First of all we create constructor. Constructor will initialize when object is created. So we need to create one object, child class, new child. Okay. So now we can call, and whatever variable we call, we should call with the this keyword because this will initialize present class object. So now you can see. So protected, we are calling this variable in the child class. Saved the scenario hero. Yeah, it's working right. So now in front of you, I will change the scope as private. It won't work. Undefined property child dollar where public means you can access anywhere. Yes, it's working. It's working very well. So that's the thing, my dear friends. So I completed public, private, protected. So tomorrow we will be going to some other concepts of hoops for more clarity. Okay, bye bye.